Hello and welcome to another Major Market Movements End of the Week Market Review for October 2nd, 2015. I'm Quad G. In this video, we're taking a look at some of the Forex markets. We're going to go ahead and start off here with the US dollar. I don't have a full spread of charts here for the FX markets, but if we zoom in here on DXY, which is dollar index, you see that we got an incursion below the 20 DMA today, but we popped back right above it towards the end of the day. The QG3 is still technically in a bullish alignment to the upside. The Bollinger Bands have pinched in considerably, and I think this is all a sign of just very neutral behavior right now. And this is pretty common across the board with the other FX markets as well. And so I don't see a lot of good opportunity here for the upside or the downside at this point in time. I think it's best to just, for the most part, leave these markets alone until the US dollar comes out of this congestion, or looks like it's going to come out of this congestion anytime soon. Taking a look at US dollar versus Canadian dollar. This is looking like a nice impulsive move to the upside. Wave 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Wave 2 looks sharp. Wave 4 looks flat. And wave 5 looks like it could be complete here. And we're now starting to work on an initial impulse to the downside for a wave 1. And once this ends, which could happen next week, could see another pop up here into wave 2, 3-wave correction, and that's where if it moves up in 3 waves nicely as expected, this might be a prime spot to get short in that market for another move to the downside. At least a corrective move. It could develop into something far more, but for now, just considering a corrective move down to at least the 38.2% Fibo there at 2868, or maybe all the way down here to 61.8% Fibo at 2506 or so. There's also this manic rise here that didn't get much of a backfill upon breaking out into a new high. So that's another prime spot right there at about 28.27. That would be a good place for this correction to target as well. Let's take a look at USD JPY. And we've got this ongoing contracting triangle. It looked like it was about to break down today, but for whatever reason, the market popped back up after this. Looks like a false breakdown, popped right back up, but it's still making a lower high there. So I'm still leaning towards further downside to come. For whatever reason, there was no serious commitment on this breakdown today. So I do think that maybe wave 2 is finished, and we are starting to work on wave 3, 4s, and 5s of wave A to the downside coming up, especially while we're below that level. There is a slim possibility, I should say, that there's a wave A here. This could be an expanded B, and we could see a wave C to the upside. That could go a little bit higher, so I don't think we should drop the stop losses down to below that point just yet. I would say that today's low also. The low there at 118.68. That's a potential breakdown point for going down into wave 3. Okay, very quick video. Really not much to show you in the FX markets at this point in time. Of course, I'll be updating you continually through the weeks with my end of the day updates. But I'm constantly watching these markets for good opportunities, and there's just not a whole bunch at this point in time. All right, that's it for now. We'll be talking to you later. Adios.